Here we are, here in the valley, by the riverside. We have our peace, we have our freedom, if only for a time. We won't go onward apart when come the winter time.
Back to the sawmill. It is what is today? March the 7th. Late start today. Had a meeting at Bruno's school this morning, so I had to go attend that. But now we're back up here at the mill. We're going to finish up that walnut that we started 2 days ago. And let me know as well in the comments what you guys think about the footage today. I got a new action camera. I got one of those GoPro 7s the other day. And I'm going to be using that today to do a lot of the footage on. And I'm actually using it right now to do this little intro on. So let me know down below what you guys think about it. So here's slab number 1, and I wasn't able to get 3 slabs out of this. I got 2 good 9/4 slabs, and the bottom cut's going to be 5/4, but that's okay. I need to saw up some 5/4 walnut anyways. So this will just be an extra special board on the bottom, hopefully with some crotch figure that's 5/4. Scrape this one off. Some nice colors going on in here. Now this is the top face of the first slab, so I'm thinking underneath it should be some nice crotch figure. This was about the second cut from the bark, so I didn't anticipate any crotch figure yet. But as soon as we flip it over, we should be seeing it. You want to be very gentle when you handle these big heavy slabs, and that's hard to do because they're so heavy. But if you drop them, that crotch figure will break. It will just bust. Should be good to go right here. Looks like we got some nice figure. Man, this looks like a fantastic slab. Start off with the new blade today, and it's sailed right through this stuff. And there it is, just like the other slabs that we cut 2 days ago out of this log. We got our nice crotch feeder coming down the middle right here. A little bit of a knot with a little pinhole right there. But besides that, some more nice stuff here today, guys. Man, this is nice. Alright guys, here's the top side of the second slab today. Oh my goodness, look at that. Perfect crotch feeder right there. My goodness. Christmas in March, guys. We're having Christmas in March. The last board on that log, guys. It's a 5/4 board. I had to resaw it. It was actually 1.5 inches thick. And I got some more 5/4 walnut boards I got to sticker and stack here this weekend. So when I have them all the same thickness, that's why I resawed this down just a little. This is still some nice stuff right here, guys. Got that nice perfect crotch feeder coming down through here. This will be a fantastic board. Once I kiln dry it and run it through a planer, you'll get about a 7/8 of an inch thick board out of this probably. That's all said and done. Good stuff.
Bathe in the golden light. It's such a time we lived of wonder. Another cold now waits, and certain things are weighing our feathers, and so we fly away. And I will go with all I know, seeking sounds of our dreaming. And come what may, and come